We're here at the 300 East Randolph Tower.
Check these buttons. 41.
Which floor are you trying to get to?
I'll show you.
Yeah, I guess it is 30.
Later, but we do, yeah, we're gonna go to.
You have to go through that security elevator. You want to go to 41. Yeah, you have to go to the elevators over there.
So the
Oh,
third
okay.
highest we can go.
This one it only goes to 30.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Let's go to 30 first.
Yeah, let's do that. Might as well.
So these are Mitsubishi. With what kind of pictures are those?
Cool.
Yeah, what kind of things?
I don't know.
These are custom, I think.
I think they're
They're
custom.
they're like vanity, but
Oh my
cool.
god, you can see through the.
Kind of.
Oh, this is so
This is so awesome.
I still don't understand why it's showing floors that aren't even accessible in the
Oh yeah, look at that.
Yeah.
They do different elevators for different banks, so it's
Yeah.
easier and quicker to get to these levels.
Sorry. Wow, listen to that chime.
The 30's
no-
blinking.
Yeah, it blinks when you get to the floor. And now yours is popped.
Anyways. Looks like we had to.
Look at that indicator. I love that indicator. So basically it blinks when indicating which direction.
So yeah, take a look. Hey, you can see counterweight.
You can also see
Oh, listen to that chime.
Yeah. I like how the chef is like all
Are you came here?
Yeah.
I'll be right back.
Victor.
Let's just take some rides.
Right up. Doors moving.
There goes nudge mode.
Nudge mode. This is so cool. So that's nudge mode on Mitsubishi Booster 1, right? Let's see. Holy cow. I know. Whoa. I know you can freaking see.
Dude, you can see outside.
These are
so cool.
Yeah. So
Holy cow.
now we're gonna get our cab view on this thing.
These are awesome elevators.
Like
These are
crazy
so
right
cool.
now. There's Chicago elevators.
Hello.
Wisconsin Stars and elevators.
Take a look
I
at
think
that.
they're almost touch.
Wisconsin Stars and elevators.
Yeah, elevators Lake County.
Elevators by Lake County.
Got that nice lighting up there. Here's your indicator right there. Your fixtures.
We're going there.
And your phone. We got a call.
These ones don't work.
So, yeah. So it's kind of like cone in a way because like it lights up. So you guys want to take another ride? Or?
Yeah.
Sure. Let's take another ride.
So,
This is so
those are-
cool.
So now we're gonna watch the button going up.
This is so cool.
You know.
Wow.
Wow.
Oh man.
You really do make your ears pop.
Yeah.
These things are smooth.
They're so good.
Oh,
They're
yeah, let me
so
take a look at that. Oh my god, look at that.
No.
I know. You can see the buildings out.
Oh yeah.
Kind of. Oh, if it was clear glass, it would have made a better view.
Not light up.
Oh, is that what it says?
Yeah. Oh, check it out. They're bumpers.
Oh,
Yep.
holy crap.
Yeah.
There's the chef.
Ja, auf jeden Fall. Ja, das hat einen Pool. Es hat einen Pool. So, es hat einen Pool, okay?
Oh mein Gott, aber was für ein Pool.
Hey, comment.
4 stories on top of the existing building. When expanded to a height of 57 stories, the building will accommodate about 8,000 occupants. The vertical completion was selected as the best option to accommodate the growth of healthcare service populations. The site advantages and provisions that are part of the existing building make the vertical completion possible. One of the site advantages is the multiple levels of roadway access.
这在我们这小区办公楼的三十层，看看大公园。
Temporary hoists and platforms for construction personnel and material will be installed in the existing interior elevator shaft. The rails for the future elevators will be installed in the existing building. Construction security checkpoints will be strategically established at the back, featuring as well.
Here comes Alex. I'm gonna watch you here going down. So anyways, we're going back down. I really wish it was clear glass.
Can
it goes again?
Yeah.
That time my bid went up, it didn't go it again.
Yep. Flash me too.
Seems to slow down way ahead of time before it gets to the desired floor.
Yeah. So now we're gonna send this up to 30 and watch it go up.
So this is looking up the shaft. And now that one's gonna go at 30, so we're gonna watch this one go. That's it.
Yes, it is.
Oh, you can come over. Yes.
Oh, yeah, look at the
color.
See, oops, take my ears. A boat can go up the river and then out to the. Yeah, it's kind of beautiful.